This tutorial is going to look over the DP portfolio that grade 11 and 12 students will create at TKS. So the first thing you need to do is log into your Google account. You can do Gmail, whatever it is that you want to log into, and select the Sites button up here on the top. Second step, you're going to create a new portfolio. I understand you had ones last year, but we are using a new method this year. As your DP student, select the DP portfolio template. Ensure that you've selected that one. Under Name Your Site, you're going to use your first name, space, last name, space, DP. This is the naming convention for DP students. First name, space, last name, space, DP. After that, simply click Create. You'll notice up comes your new portfolio. And it's already pre-populated with different classes. There's an About Me part, Language A, Language B, Mathematics, because everybody takes a mathematics. Everybody does Extended Essay, CAS, and Theory of Knowledge. You also have listed here classes 4, 5, and 6. So you will need to make a couple changes to these things in a little while. But the basics of how this works are the following. Each one of these is actually a gadget that updates based on what you put on the pages over here on the left. So for example, for the About Me, I can go in here and create a new post about myself. This is just an area where you can let your teachers know a little bit about you, your interests, and whatnot. So you can go in there and fill it in. That's what I'm going to do now. So something about the post, it's just like any other Google site. You can insert various things, from a video from Google, YouTube, to a presentation you've created in Google Docs, to a document. Anything that you want pretty much can be put in here. It is fairly easy. I'm going to put up an image of myself now. Again, we're just pretending here. And let's see how that works. I click on Image. And now I simply need to upload my image. So I'm going to choose that and upload the image, and then you're going to see sort of how these posts look and view. So I'm uploading my image, and once it's uploaded, I'll click OK. And now my picture, I'm going to actually make it small or medium. I'm going to make it go in the center, and then I'm going to save my post. So this is the About Me page, and we're going to go back to the home by clicking TKS. You're going to see that it now puts in here the little post that you've created and your little image. It'll do an icon of any images. That'll happen for any one of your classes here. So within Language A, when you make a post, the same sort of thing. So I'm going to go through the process again, quickly do a post with a picture, and you're going to see what it'll look like. Alright, so I'm done my little post for my English class. I'm going to save it. And again, this is where all my posts will be located. I think this page will hold like the previous 10. And then down here there'll be a little button, Next Page. So I'm going to go home, and you're going to see what it looks like now. I've written my little blurb about whatever it was I'm reflecting on or teachers asked me to write about. And there we go. I have my little picture. What will happen is these little boxes will hold your previous 3 posts or 5 posts, and when teachers want to read more, they click on the View More button, and they'll be able to see other posts that you have. And as you get more, there'll be more pages listed here. They'll just be able to click the arrows to go back in time to see your other posts. If you want to edit a post, we go back to the home page, click on the name of it. Right here is the name of it. And you click the pencil edit page, and then you're able to edit your post, and click save when you're done. So that's the basics of doing stuff within here. You are able to do things such as insert documents within here. So let's just say your teacher said, okay, just make a new post and insert your final Arabic essay. You've done it on Google Docs, for example. You can click Insert, and out of all your documents, they'll all appear here. I don't really actually have a lot of documents within this one, but I'll click on here, and you get this gray little box. I often like to center it. When you click save, this gray box is just a place marker. When you click save, the actual document will appear on the page. There's your homework. The teachers can read it right in here, or they can click on a link down here and it'll open in their Google Docs for them to read. That's creating your portfolio and the basics of inserting posts. The next video will show how to change the names of your classes so that you can have these classes reflect the proper name that you're actually taking.